Like, yo, these niggas bullshitting, but they claim that they something. These sucker niggas perpetrating on the block, they be fronting. Niggas sweeter than the jam that they put in the muffin. I'm on the block fighting the urge of crime when I'm shooting at 9 shots through the blinds. Niggas put my life on the line, going mad hard in the struggle when I'm not even trying. Niggas rocking that they Superman, probably getting super shot. Plus a nigga super hot, wetter than the super twat that I leave a nigga. And I don't believe in dudes. I don't think they really leaving. They ain't eating through a feeding tube, a breathing tube. Dog, we don't believe in you. You like water, you clear through, so you clear through the homie. I'm like a Hebrew, leave whips across your back when I'm gripping on the mat. These niggas been talking that. They don't want it with this boy, cause I'm a Candace nigga. Walk around with a chopper with a fan, my nigga. I don't think too many niggas that could fuck with me. And you know I'm in the streets when I'm disturbing the peace. Fucking hoes, they really love me, wanna touch me, wanna rub me, wanna caress and love me, beat that pussy till it's nothing. And I ain't with the front end. I can get you what you want, and if the price is right, bars is tight, something like a Tyson fight. Niggas ain't seeing me, even on the TV screen. Homicide TNT, niggas all let me ride, let me try, let me ride, let me go, let me spit. Grace with a gutter, let me grit, let me toilet, let me shit everywhere. Never gave a fuck about nothing, and never with their bushing, I ain't never with their frontin'. If they wanna go and ride with me, they can ride with me. Tell that bitch you gotta pay, she can't ride for free. You gotta get a lot of money, never really stopping. Even though the beat really skipping is not an option. Gum with the extra cartridge, something like Contra, found them in the dumpster, labeled as a monster. Labeled to a menace that society is the white folks tell it. They mad at the nigga, I'm getting money and I sell it. I ain't gotta prove that. Gay Stella her groove back, banging with a new gat, leave a nigga blue black with grip tacks and flip hats, something like a Big Mac. Your ribs crack is nothing else. How did the hell make something else? Bring a flame the devil never felt. Niggas check me out, check me out. Show you what this record about. Chopper that'll lay you out. I don't even play no games. Spray your brain. Stay in games. Hell no, I don't play no names. I catch a nigga where you sleeping at. Catch you where you shitting. Find your brain and your intestines and your vital organs missing. Listen. Full bottle new prescription, that's a medicine. President, evident. Bad news, I'm better than. Talking shit irrelevant. Do it for the hell of it. Bottle up like medicine. This shit not intelligent. Hoes through your specimens. Niggas all fuck around and pump around. Make your brain shit out and make you hump the ground.
Damn.
I keep on getting at it and getting at it and getting at it and kidnap it. I gotta have it. I gotta have it. I'm wearing number like a magic. These niggas never had it. The hospital scene is kind of drastic. When I cock it and blast it and run a rap or some new plastic. Dust, the ashes we was made around this bitch. I got a flow given for God, you couldn't trade around this bitch. Like a hand grenade around this bitch. I'm blowing up on the scene, getting cream and seeming all deep on the spleen. Super high, everybody really love my flow. No, they see me on my pimp and know you love my hoe. And I love to with snow, and I love to sell weed, and I love to go hard. Yo, I love to stay fresh. Yo, we gotta be the best. Niggas talk like that, but they ain't built for this gangster shit and walk the walk like that. I'm the Incredible Hulk. I'm the one that you heard about. I'm the one that served it to the bitches straight past and out. If you can't really see, they get your glasses out. You gotta run with your feet and get your asses out. I break bread, I take bread. There's nothing in me, no oven, no stove. You ain't fucking with me. You pay for that bitch. Nah, I don't pay for that bitch. You pay for the dick. Niggas know I spray with this shit. I don't play with this shit. I'm so sick of it most. A cop shots that hit your body right out of your ghost, something like Casper. How do you niggas shatter like glass? Bullets that pop holes and vaccines that'll shatter your ass. And these dudes just forgive me. I'm in the building. I said 150 through your kidney, something like penicillin. I've been a minute, something like freight driven. Screwed up vision and smoking this got me fucked up. Gun tucked up. Wrap them up, clap them up, something like a present, and grip it up and post in the spot just like a Mac 11. I'm robbing the game, but the clap of the game. I send bullets to the clap of your brain like Will Chamberlain, 100 points. I stay with the scorch like the Olympics, burning with a biscuit. My bitch is a French bitch, she French kissed and love French and black dick. Come on. That Mac clip that making doing backflip. I tell hoes, you know I turn in the game, it's no backlip. Catch your backhand, dog, don't back off, don't make the kid go off. Minute something like old dog. Chopper shells a blow off. Puts niggas so soft. They don't want the problem though. When I let it off, I'm working the Queen Latifah in that movie when she set it off. Clip daddy y'all. Take it off the head of y'all. Niggas that'll get it y'all. Niggas that'll shoot shots. Niggas known super hot. Dag diet super shots. Stick it in the super shot.